Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Get cozy, grab your favorite drink, and get ready for some relationship realness. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. When a woman says this, she's admitting you're her weakness. We're talking about those little phrases, those secret codes that reveal a whole lot more than meets the eye. You know, the kind of stuff that makes you go, "Aw," in your heart. Make sure to stay till the end to catch all the details. You won't want to miss it. 1. I can't stop thinking about you. A sure sign you've stolen her heart. All right, let's be honest. Haven't we all been there? That moment when someone just won't leave your mind no matter what you do. That feeling when someone pops into your head out of the blue and you can't help but smile. It's like a warm, unexpected surprise. Well, when a woman tells you, "I can't stop thinking about you," she's not just being cute, she's sending a powerful message. It's her way of letting you know that you're on her mind constantly. Think about it. Our minds are precious, right? We guard our thoughts and only let in what truly matters. We fill them with things we love, things that matter, things that make us happy, our hobbies, our passions, our loved ones. So when she confesses that you're taking up that precious mental real estate, it means you're something special. It means you've become a significant part of her world. It means you've truly captivated her thoughts and her heart. You've become someone she cherishes deeply. It's like you've become her own personal earworm, but in the best way possible. A delightful melody she can't get enough of. You know, that song you can't get out of your head, even if you tried? The one that makes you tap your foot and hum along? Yeah, that's you, my friend. You're the tune she can't stop playing in her mind. You're the catchy tune stuck on repeat in her mind. And honestly, who wouldn't want to be that? It's a special place to be. And you know what else? It means she values you more than you might realize. It shows that she values your presence in her life. She treasures the moments you share. She's not just saying it to be nice. She genuinely enjoys the time you spend together. So much so that she replays those moments in her head when you're apart. It's a testament to how much she cares. Now that's a compliment if I've ever heard one. It's like receiving the highest form of praise. It's like winning the relationship lottery, folks. You've hit the jackpot in her heart. So if you're lucky enough to hear these words, know that you've made a real impact. You've touched her heart in a profound way. But here's the thing. With great power comes great responsibility. Don't take her feelings lightly. Don't take her words for granted. Show her that you appreciate her feelings, maybe even return the sentiment in your own way. Show her that you appreciate her feelings, maybe even return the sentiment. Let her know she's on your mind too. After all, a little reciprocation goes a long way in the game of love. Right? It's the key to a strong, lasting connection. So the next time you find yourself thinking about her, don't be shy, tell her. Let her know she's on your mind too. Trust me, it'll make her heart sing. And isn't that what love is all about? 2. I feel safe with you, the foundation of a strong bond. Okay, let's talk about vulnerability for a second. It's a topic that often gets overlooked but is so crucial in building strong relationships. It's not always easy to let your guard down, to show your true self, especially in matters of the heart. It requires courage and a lot of trust. It takes a tremendous amount of trust to be vulnerable with someone, to feel truly seen and accepted for who you are, flaws and all. This is the essence of emotional intimacy. So when a woman says, "I feel safe with you," she's not just talking about physical safety, although that's important too. She's expressing something much deeper. She's talking about feeling emotionally secure, like she can be her authentic self without judgment or fear. This kind of safety is rare and precious. It's about knowing that you're there for her, no matter what life throws her way. It's about unwavering support and unconditional love. It's about feeling understood, supported, and cherished for the amazing woman she is. It's about being valued and appreciated. It's about that deep sense of comfort and belonging that comes from being with someone who truly gets you. It's like finding your home in another person. Think of it like this. You know that feeling when you finally take off your shoes after a long day and your feet can finally breathe? That's the kind of relief and ease she feels when she's with you. That's the kind of relief and ease she feels when she's with you. It's a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find. You're her safe haven, her rock, her person, the one she can always turn to. You're the one she can always count on, the one who makes her feel like she can conquer the world. Your presence gives her strength. And let me tell you, that's a powerful thing. It's a gift that not everyone gets to experience. It's the foundation of a strong, lasting relationship. It's the bedrock upon which love is built. It's the kind of connection that people dream of, the kind of love that makes life's journey so much brighter. It's what makes life worth living. So, if you're lucky enough to have a woman in your life who feels safe with you, cherish it. It's a rare and beautiful thing. Nurture that trust, that vulnerability, that deep sense of connection. It's the glue that holds relationships together. Because when you create a space where someone feels truly safe to be themselves, you're not just building a relationship, you're building a sanctuary, a place where love can flourish and grow. 3. I miss you when you're not around. The sweet ache of missing your presence. You know that feeling when you've had a really great slice of pie and then it's gone? The taste lingers, and you find yourself craving just one more bite, and you just keep wanting more? Well, that's kind of what it's like when a woman says, I miss you when you're not around. It's a deep, almost insatiable longing. She's not just being clingy, she's acknowledging that you've become a part of her routine, her happiness, her life. Your presence is like a comforting rhythm she relies on. It means you've woven yourself into the fabric of her days, and your absence leaves a noticeable void. It's like a missing piece in a puzzle. It's like that favorite sweater you love to wear, the one that's just the right amount of cozy and makes you feel good. It's a source of comfort and warmth. When it's clean and put away, you kind of forget about it. But its absence is felt when you need it the most. But then, there are those days when you want nothing more than to snuggle up in its warmth. It's like a hug from an old friend. That's you, my friend, the missing sweater, the one that brings comfort and joy. You bring that warmth and comfort to her life, and your absence is felt deeply. It's a void that can't easily be filled. It's a testament to the impact you have on her, the way you brighten her days and make her world a little more vibrant. Your presence is like sunshine on a cloudy day, and let's be honest, who doesn't want to be missed? It's a sign that you matter, that your presence is valued. It's a good feeling to know that someone out there is thinking about you, wishing you were there. It means you're on their mind and in their heart. It means you're special, that you matter. Your absence is felt because your presence is cherished. So the next time you hear those words, I miss you, don't just brush them off. Embrace the sentiment. Understand the depth of those words. Let her know that you feel the same way, that you value her presence in your life just as much as she values yours. It's a beautiful exchange of emotions. 4. You make me a better person. The power of positive influence. Now this one is big. When a woman says, you make me a better person, she's acknowledging the positive impact you have on her life. It means you inspire her to grow, to learn, to become the best version of herself. It's like you're holding up a mirror to her soul, reflecting back all the amazing qualities she possesses, maybe even some she didn't know she had. You see the best in her, even when she struggles to see it herself, and that kind of unwavering belief is incredibly empowering. Think of it like this. You know those motivational posters with inspiring quotes and breathtaking landscapes? You're like that poster, but in human form. You motivate her to reach for her dreams, to overcome challenges, to live a life filled with purpose and passion. You're her biggest cheerleader, her confidant, her partner in crime. You challenge her to step outside of her comfort zone, to embrace new experiences, to become a more compassionate, understanding, and loving human being. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to be the reason someone strives to be their best self? It's an incredible gift to give someone, the gift of growth, inspiration, and unwavering support. So, if you're fortunate enough to hear these words, know that you're doing something right. You're not just a lover, you're a muse, a mentor, a source of strength and encouragement. 5. I can't imagine my life without you. The ultimate declaration of love. Okay, folks, buckle up because we're about to dive into the deep end of love's swimming pool. When a woman says, I can't imagine my life without you, she's not just being dramatic, she's expressing the depth of her love and commitment. It means you've become an integral part of her world, so much so that the thought of life without you seems incomplete, unimaginable. You're the peanut butter to her jelly, the sun to her moon, the avocado to her toast. You get the picture, right? You're two peas in a pod, two halves of a whole, and life just wouldn't be the same without your presence. It's like trying to picture a world without laughter, or sunshine, or puppies. It's just not right. It's like those heartwarming holiday commercials where families are gathered around a fireplace, sharing stories and laughter. You're the fireplace, the warm glow that brings everyone together. You're the missing piece she's been searching for, the one who makes her life feel complete. And let's be honest, that's a pretty amazing feeling to know that you bring that kind of joy and fulfillment to someone's life. So if you're lucky enough to hear these words, cherish them, hold them close to your heart, and know that you've found something truly special. Because when someone tells you they can't imagine their life without you, they're not just expressing their love, they're entrusting you with their heart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future relationship adventures. Let us know in the comments if you've ever heard these phrases and what they meant to you. We love hearing your stories. See you in the next video.